First of all, I would like to compliment the Agribusiness Incubator of ICRISAT for having completed 10 years of existence. If I look back and do some time travel in history, it was the year 2003 when the Agribusiness Incubator at ICRISAT was established. And they have established very methodological, very systematic approach in the past 1 decade of promoting agribusinesses in India. What they have done is that in the year 2002-2003, they themselves established an agribusiness incubator, which gave them hands-on experience of running, managing and developing an incubation ecosystem in the agriculture space. Having done that, they moved on and then they started replicating themselves. They started replicating themselves in India, in Africa and in other parts of the world. So what ICRISAT has been able to do in the last 1 decade is that not only run, manage their own incubator successfully, they have been able to establish incubators in several parts of the country. Currently there are 22 incubators, agribusiness incubators, which they have established in the country, and there are almost equal number which they are supporting across the globe. They work very closely with the national institutions like the ICAR, that is the Indian Council for Agricultural Research. They work very closely with the international organizations like the World Bank and various other arms of the UN system which they work with. The advantage of having an agribusiness incubator is that it addresses the critical problems of food security, benefit to the farmers, as well as also develops new products in the agriculture innovation system. Traditionally, it has not been easy for agriculture to innovate. The research and innovation in the agriculture sector has always been non-glamorous. It's not been glamorous at all. It is the other sectors where most of the research has been commercialized. It is the other sectors where a lot of money has been invested in research. But in the agriculture sector, it is the institutions like the Agribusiness Incubator at ICRISAT which can actually make a difference and take the research in the laboratories into the fields, benefiting the farmers, benefiting the consumers, and also bringing in products which enhance the nutrition value, the quality of life and the income levels both at the farmer level, and they also benefit the customers in the end.